Hi there, today we're going to review Terminator lights. It's a really long lifespan, CAN bus ready, easy to install, and it's great for off-road. You can choose whatever the numbers. It's going to be 905 or HB3 and AH8, H9, H11, H16. They all fit they're all the same. You'll receive gloves and extra O-ring for waterproof resistance protections. Your instruction, and this is going to be two pair of two different you can see these two how they looks like, and by the bulbs they're all the same, but the connections they're a little bit different. As you can see, this one are kind of close together, this one a little bit apart. One thing I like about it, but the fan will turn on only when it starts heating up, and once it starts overheating it will kick the fan on. Nice ventilation. This is aluminum, good material that will reduce the heat or extract the heat. As you can see on both of them, they do have O-rings for protection of the moist and water. It's really nice. Let's install it. So this is the low beam, and they're really bright. And this is the high beam. It's super bright. I will definitely recommend it. It's really great lights.